Okay, happening live directly here in Port here in the River State, Nigeria. The Active Containers slash Cargo Drivers Association holding a peaceful rally protest against the illegal extortion of levies and also taxes that have been charged and collected from them by on the maritime, who they claim that they are not their members. So they are actually pouring away their grievances, calling on the federal government and also state government of River State to do the needful and ensure that they address the issue now before it goes out of hand. So they are saying that they don't belong to the maritime, they don't belong to anybody in the maritime, they are their own association, and also they belong to their own personal association duly registered in Abuja. So that is what is happening here today in on
No